Alright, next let's draw the bubbles for our clownfish. So we'll go to the new sprite icon here, and this time you can just grab your circle here, and you can either draw the hollow or the filled. I'll go ahead and do the hollow circle, and just go ahead and draw some bubbles here, and have the bubbles at the top getting bigger. Alright, I think that should do. So then we'll come in and we can fill those with some white paint. And one thing that we're going to do is set the center of our costume down to the bottom so that we can have it look like the bubbles are coming out of the fish's mouth. And then we'll go to the Costumes tab, and let's go ahead and copy that and edit the copy. And then this is where you can move some of these bubbles if you'd like, make them bigger, make whatever change you'd like to make. And again, you can be as extravagant with your animation as you'd like. I'm keeping this one pretty simple and straightforward for the screencast. I'm going to go back to the clownfish because I'm also going to edit him and set the center of his costume, maybe about where his mouth should be at. In fact, I should have probably drawn a mouth. And then we'll look at the second one and also set the center of the costume, again about the same spot where the mouth should be. And that's important if we want the bubbles to appear as if they're coming out of the fish's mouth. Let's just come back to our bubbles here, and we want to make a script for our bubbles. And this one we're going to have the bubbles go to the first sprite, which is the clownfish. So their center point is going to go to the center point on the fish, and that's going to look like the bubbles are coming out of the fish's mouth. Alright, and we want it to also switch costumes, so we'll go to the costume and have it go to the next costume. And again, that's going to happen so quickly you wouldn't even see it happen, so let's go ahead and have a wait 0.1. And then we can just continue to have that repeat forever and have it triggered with the green flag. And so let's go ahead and press that, and you can see the bubbles are coming from what looks like the fish's mouth. And again, if you don't like the speed of the bubbles, you can slow that down, speed it up, do whatever you'd like. And we could have had the bubbles be attached to the clownfish itself, but it's kind of neat sometimes to be able to make a separate sprite and have it attach itself to another sprite using this go-to sprite block. Alright, good. The next tutorial we'll start working on the octopus and some of the other sea creatures.